He just closed the grill thing and makes the fire go away, and it just got worse. I think he's close.
Dad, are you nuts?
He's burning his fingers. Holy crap.
Mom, look at it.
Maybe needs some water, not water. Put the gas going. She said give me a little water.
Plate. Give me a plate. A little faster than that. Oh, come on!
Dad!
Leave it open.
Lazy man. Do water?
No?
That won't help?
No. It's fine. It's fine. You have to soak anyway. No, I just have to get the fire going. I have to get the hammer and talk anyway, so.
Another plate.